Hey legends, want to heal while moving like a pro? Let's break down how to bunny hop heal perfectly in Apex. Before we start, one important thing to note is that currently only support legends can bunny hop heal. This is because starting this season, support legends are able to retain their movement speed while healing. Non-support legends slow down drastically while healing, so popping a syringe or shield cell while sliding or b-hopping will cut momentum. So first, while sprinting, jump and hold crouch mid-air. This keeps your momentum going when you land. As soon as you touch the ground, release W while still holding crouch and start rhythmically jumping. Don't just spam it. Use small controlled jumps to maintain speed. Yes, A and D and slight panning movements of the mouse towards the direction you're pressing to strafe while bunny hopping.
Medics can be seen this beat down. Need to
Now,
heal.
pop a syringe or a battery right before you land from a jump. Keep hopping to maintain speed while healing.
Just a stick. 1 second.
Pro tip, use this on slopes or after slides to keep your movement fluid and unpredictable in fights. Master this and you'll never be a sitting duck while healing again. Now go out there and b-hop like an apex predator. See you later, legends.